Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my number one recommendation to start a digital marketing business. You are going to love everything that I have to share with you in this video. I'm going to share with you a little bit of my story and how I know that this is the number one best digital marketing business to start on the internet today. If you are looking for a course that will take you from 0 to 100 real quick in less than 15 days and have your own successful affiliate marketing business up and running, then this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, first, I want you to understand, I know exactly what it's like to be sitting in your position, typing in how to make money online, work from home, digital marketing courses, and I know this because I've been at it for 15 years, you guys, trying all kinds of different crazy businesses. Some of them were online. I tried multiple MLM businesses. I chased around my friends and family trying to sell them lotions and potions and all kinds of different crazy products. And that sucked, by the way. That does not work, and I hope that you are not doing that. Do not waste your time doing that. If you're going to do an MLM, at least take it online and market it digitally. And today, I want to show you what works, because I don't want you to spend all the time and money that I did over these past 15 years wasting your time and just meeting failure over and over again. I'd rather just show you exactly what works, because I was sitting right where you are a year ago today doing the same thing, typing in how to make money online, work from home. And I finally found something that actually works. I found a company that was 100% legit that could help me, start an online business in less than 15 days. If that sounds appealing to you, this is the video for you. I promise you, it's 100% legit, you guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started today. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and I'm going to show you exactly what I went through about a year ago today and how you can implement the exact same strategy and be up and running in less than 15 days. Now, I know a lot of crazy things are going on in the world right now. People have lost their jobs, and I don't know what's going on in your life, what has motivated you to search for this. But I know, a year ago, we didn't have coronavirus going on and stuff. I was just at a place in my life where I knew that I wanted time freedom. I knew that I wanted passive income. I knew that I wanted to work when I had time, when I wanted to. And, I wanted to be able to travel the world. I wanted to be able to take my kids to sports, take them to school, spend time with my wife, and really just enjoy life and have that freedom to do what was important to me. And if that is what you are, aspiring to do, that's what you're after today, this is the video for you. So let's move on through this video. I'm going to walk you step by step exactly what I went through and help you get signed up so that you can start your online business today. All right, now I hope you are excited, because your path to financial freedom starts today. Today you are going to make a decision. Today you are going to empower yourself, and today you are going to start building your own very online business. It's so simple to do. And by the way, you can do this step by step, right? When I was first getting started, that was what I, was focusing on, is how to get started step by step. There was so much information out there. I just didn't know what to do with all of it, how to construct it all so that I could build my own online business. I wanted somebody literally, honestly, to just take me by the hand and say, hey, no, Chad, do this, now do this, now do this. And then that way, I knew that I was building something that worked, right? I was reaching out to experts, because experts know how to do it. If you want to do something correctly and you want to do it the fastest, what you want to do is you want to befriend people that are experts that have what you want, right? Because they can tell you exactly what to do. That is the biggest shortcut you can possibly take to starting your own online business, and that's what I was after. So how do we get started, right? What you want to do first and foremost is check out the link directly beneath this video. It's my number one recommendation. It's at the very top of the description to make money online. Let's pop over there, and I'm going to show you how to get to that, right? So beneath the video, we're looking at my screen right now. Beneath the video, what you want to focus your attention on is right here where it says my number one recommendation to make money online. Click here. So you want to click this link right here where it says Chad Bennett Live, and it's going to bring you over to this page right here. And what you're looking at right now, my friends, is honestly, it's my affiliate funnel. I'm going to be completely honest, because that's what this is. It's my landing page, and you will learn how to create something similar to this as well. I hope that you understand that digital marketing, and this is one thing, honestly, I did not understand when I was getting started. I did not understand what an affiliate funnel was. There was so many pieces I was missing. I tried affiliate marketing back in the day, honestly 15 years ago when I was in my teens. Bought a book and spent a lot of money marketing ads and stuff, and I was so far off. There were so many things that I was not doing, and it just proved to me why it was so important that I got started doing this, because they tell you and they show you how to construct exactly what you need to be doing so that you can succeed in digital marketing. All right, I really hope that you guys are excited, because you're beginning a journey right now that has the power to absolutely change your life. Now, you should be on this page right here, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to provide me your first name and your best email address. You'll put those in there, and you're going to click Get instant access now, watch the video. And what's going to happen is I'm going to send you out a free video so that you can start working with me and my team personally to launch you an online business together. Yes, we're going to walk you through step by step, hold your hand, and show you exactly what you need to be doing online so that you can create your very own online business. And this is so simple, you guys. That's what I love about this the most, is they've broken this down and they make it digestible, and they make it very easy for you to get started. In less than 15 days, you will have your very own online business, and it's literally 100% risk free. So let's pop back over here. Now, once you've done this and you've hit this red button, it's going to bring you over to this page right here. And once you arrive here, it says congratulations at the top. This is what you should be seeing. This is just a little welcome video from me that talks about who I am as a person and just kind of welcomes you to what you're about to see next. You don't have to watch the video. You can if you want, but you want to click this red button right here that says yes, show me the video right now. And once you click this, it's going to bring you over to this page right here. Now pay close attention and make sure that you stick with me through the rest of this video, because what I'm about to share with you is a ton of money that you can claim, up to $3,500 worth of bonuses right now that you can claim. I don't know how much longer this special is going to be going on, but right now they have this going on and you can claim over $3,500 worth of bonus material while you're signing up. And I'm also going to show you how you can get signed up 100% risk free today. So let's pop back over to the page that we were looking at. There's some things I want to point out here. This is for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin. Yes, this was me, a year ago, and it has been for so long. So if you want to get started with an online business, this is the place to get started right here. Now, when you arrive here, you're going to want to watch this video. This is Dave Sharp. This is an individual right here that literally I think it was maybe 15, 20 years ago. This guy right here was a construction worker. He was a drug addict. He lived in a tiny little house. He could barely pay his bills. And this guy is a phenomenal human being. He has absolutely changed my life. He's going to share with you his story and how you can get started building your very own online business. I highly recommend, well, you're going to have to watch this video right here, because the rest of this page that I'm going to be showing you right here won't load until you do. So you're going to want to click the play button right here, watch this video, and you will be very, very intrigued. Make sure that you stick with him through the entire video. After the video finishes playing, you're gonna come down here. All the rest of this page will open up and you'll see what you're seeing right now. And you're gonna get your own business set up and ready for your first high ticket customer in in just 15 days, you guys. Literally 15 days, that's all it takes. And that is remarkable that you can get a business literally set up in 15 days and be making profit. Now, I want to bring you down the page just a bit further here, because there's some very important things that I don't want you to miss, right? I said this was a step-by-step process that will tell you exactly what you need to be doing, right? So they break it out literally day by day, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, all the way down to day 15. This is going to take you 15 days, and by the end of day 15, you should have your first sale on the journey of your success right there. So up and running within 15 days, making high ticket sales, high commission sales right here on the internet, from your home, from anywhere in the world where you have an internet connection, right? That's what this is all about. This is everything that you've been missing and has kept you from getting results. And it really is, you guys. I wish I had found this so long ago. Like I said, when I first got started with affiliate marketing, there was so many things that I just didn't know, and a lot of this stuff really wasn't complicated. I just didn't have the correct recipe, right? If you're going to go and you're going to bake cookies, or you're going to bake a cake or whatever, right? You would need all the ingredients so that you got the outcome that you were expecting, right? So the cookies taste good, so the cake didn't fall apart. It was what you were expecting. You need the recipe, the blueprint that tells you exactly what to do so that you can create something successful that actually works. And I wish I would be so far ahead in life if I had found something like this 15 years ago, if this existed. I don't think it's been around that long, but these practices have, and now we have experts like David Sharp showing us exactly what we need to be doing, and we can have this up and running within 15 days just simply by following his exact blueprint. He's giving that out to us. So let's pop back over to this page. A couple other things I want to point out. If you're excited and you want to just get started, you can click that green now button, get started now. But you want to pay attention to this because right now, like I said, they're running a special where you can claim all of this different bonus stuff that wasn't available when I first got signed up. You can get this bonus number 1 right here, a customized high ticket business plan. You're going to get Facebook ads template. You're going to get high ticket email templates. That's really important for when you're setting up your autoresponder and your emails. If you're not familiar with what that is, don't worry, you will learn all about that. Very important, another very important part of your business. He even has high ticket video scripts, which was very helpful when I was getting started because I didn't know what to say. He already has all of this built out for you that will tell you exactly what you need to be saying in any of the videos that you make. High ticket email templates, again, and then personal one-on-one business plan consultation with an advisor from his very own team. Here's the list of individuals that will be reaching out to you and calling you. And these guys are all phenomenal people. And this is what I absolutely love the most is when I first got started, you guys, I literally had somebody, and this meant the world to me, that you can actually reach out to, talk to, and this is all part of it. It's 100% refundable. I'm going to get to that here in just a second, right? It's going to cost you a little bit of money, but we're only talking about $7, you guys. What it costs to purchase a Big Mac at McDonald's, literally $7, and it's all 100% money back, guarantee, refundable. So there's literally no risk in this. So let's keep it moving here. I want to show you this. So if you get signed up right now while they have this going on, you can claim all of these bonuses right now for $3,576 in value for just $7. Just $7 right now. And here it is right here. They have it right here on the page. And this is true because people have refunded this and I've seen my commission go back. So there you have it, my friends. I've laid it all out for you right there. This is 100% legit. This is where I got started literally a year ago, and I've had phenomenal results. If you don't believe me, go back to the beginning of my journey. Check out all the videos on my channel right here. You can go back to the very first one, and this has literally launched my business into success literally so fast. It's the best thing that I've ever done, and I'm growing my own online business, and you can do this too in literally less than 15 days for just $7, you guys. And just to pop back over to this page right here, this is normally $3,500 in value right now, and right now you're getting it for just $7. That's literally insane that you can get all that value for just $7. And guess what? If you don't like it, you don't think it works, you can get your money back. It does not get better than that. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I really care about changing your life and about helping you create a passive income lifestyle and creating your very own affiliate marketing business online. I don't want to drag this on too much. I just really care, and I don't want to see anybody struggle and fail the way I did and waste so much money and time, over all these years like I have. So I hope you've paid attention through this entire video, and that if you're serious and if you're at a place in your life right now where you are motivated, and you really want success and you really want a lifestyle that can really buy you freedom, then this is where it is right here. This is the best place to start your very own online journey. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found any valuable content in this video, make sure that you smash that like button. That is super important. Make sure that you drop me a comment, let me know what you thought, and make sure that you share this video with your friends, and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I have several hundred videos on this channel right now, and there are tons of great ways to make money. If this one doesn't appeal to you, make sure that you check out those other ones as well. But by the way, like I said, this is my #1 recommendation. This is the place to make that happen. So again, that's all I have for you. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.